What's up guys? Today we're in Liliw, Laguna. I'm gonna give you a virtual tour of this area here on the street that's near the church that sells a lot of slippers. Let's go check it out. I want to show you the area around this church here in Laguna. This is also known for like slippers. Love Ilaw, Sinelas festival, as you can see. Look at all the slippers that I have in here. Wow. Hello. Not sure what this one is. Liliw. I guess this place is also known for slippers. You know? They have all types of slippers here. There was like a Sinelas festival, but this is over here is Bahay Pamahalan ng Liliw. Right there. Wow, this is all like, this is probably like the Marquina of, I guess, Laguna. Since Marquina is known for shoes, Liliw is known for slippers. Interesting. Look at that. It goes downhill. Kind of busy road right now. And all of these slippers. Not bad. I'm gonna head down. Let's check out all these slippers. All these stores down here. All the stores down here is like slippers. Yeah. There's a 7-Eleven. Of course. And there's some street food. They have street foods here. So like fish bowl, quick, jeepney, of course. Of course, got a jeepneys. Let's go walk across and see what they have. Alright. They have fish bowl, some shomai. Hi. I think they even have, oh, they have dynamite here. Not bad. And chicken. No, I'm looking. Thank you. Over here they have chicharron, I believe. Oh wow. Nice. It's just cooking up right over here. Oh, there's even potato corner. Let's keep heading down. Woo. Look at all the cool slippers. Nice, classic style. I guess this place is known for slippers. Sinelas festival. And it's right near the church. And I'm walking in the rain trying to film and see what this has and what this place has to offer. And of course, potato corner. Let's go head back and I'll show you what else we see. Woo. Oh wow. Check out that jeepney, man. I guess you could sit on the roof. Holy crap. That's cool, man. A lot of traffic that goes through here, especially the jeepneys and tricycles. Love it. What's that?
Wallet.
Nice. They even sell cool knives here. Besides slippers, they sell knives. Whew. Again, like I said, this is like the Sinelas capital of Laguna. There's even a giant Sinelas, a giant slipper over there. Let me show you. A giant slipper on the roof. In the street, you see it? Giant slipper. They just had a Sinela festival in April here, so that's pretty cool. Alright, I can't stress how all of these street stores, they sell slippers. Look at this one, even like Birkenstock looking slippers. There you got a fruit stall over here. Yeah, smells good. Fruity. Everywhere has slippers and leather goods for sale, even footwear. Ooh, check it out. They do sell Birkenstock slippers on this place. Pretty sure it's imitation, but nonetheless, pretty cool. These are crazy. These probably hurt. Oh, those vintage ones right there. I don't know if you see that. Damn, you want LV slippers? Yeah, LV slippers too. That's cool. Leon, you're buying all that? Whoa, your slippers, huh? Good deals. Uy. Damn, they even have Kate's Fade here. Wild. It's for Ella. That's cool. Even Hermes. Not bad. Love it. Love these vintage slippers. You even have Tom. You got Gucci. You got Louis Vuitton. Check it out. You got Prada, Dior, Louis Vuitton. What kind of slippers you like? What's this?
Oh, ginadgat siya. May gata.
Oh, this.
Nantolan.
Nantolan.
Sinantolan.
Nantolan. Oh, there's even more.
From Laguna.
The best from Laguna. Epasol. I ate that this morning. All of these little snacks and more. Oh, smells so good over here. They sell puto cake. Puto cake is like, I guess fish. Not fish. Rice cake. And over here, this smells good. They smell palabok. Oh, they sell vinegar and all that stuff, and palabok. Yeah, this place is cool, dude. Oh, I think they're caroling over here. Nuns caroling for the church, I believe. Check it out, they even have like woven bags here at Badong Footwear. Oh, it's more slippers. And more stuff in there. Wow. This whole street is slipper alley, man. It's crazy. Look at this, on another slipper store. So if you love slippers, you gotta come to here. All types of slippers. Look at this store over here. More jeepneys. Jeepneys, tricycles, bake store. More slipper stores too, and shoes. Go check that out. Woo. Nice. All right, look at this. There's a vegetable stand right over here, and a cool marketplace and slippers over there. Oh, this whole area is just slippers. I'm gonna cross over, but if you could see in the back, you could actually see the mountains and the lake. Right all the way over there, you can see the mountains and the lake here in Laguna. Crazy. Just have White House Bistro since 1938 over here. Beautiful looking bistro, cafe slash house, I believe. Right over there, even greeted by an Indian man over there. Pretty cool. Huh. All right, so this area here has, I guess, goods, you know? Filipino goods. Pasalubongs. No, I'm just looking, thank you. Wow. Oh wow, even candies. What's this? We have crabs. Oh, crabs. Oh, okay. Thank you. And then I think it goes all the way down even here. More crabs. Oh, and there's an eatery right over there. We'll go back. Oh, they even have like coconut vinegar and sausages and more over here for sale. And I think these are local seaweeds from the lake. I'm not so sure. What is this place with Santa Claus? It's a house or like an eatery, I believe. Beautiful house. Look at that marble chair. Cool. lot of tricycles as well in the area. Alright, I guess they're buying some fruits over here. Alright, they got some fruits. What you get?
Ate. Oh, you're allergic to this.
I am allergic to that. What you guys eating? Atis. What's that called again?
Guyabano.
And the other one over there?
80 daw kilo.
What's the brown one again? Santo?
No.
What's that brown one again?
Ano tawag din sa brown? Chico.
Oh.
Halatang hindi ko kumakain ng prutas.
I don't. What you find?
35.
Di 30 na lang?
Wala na tawad. May kumuha.
Get all the goods that they have.
Ay, walang pastillas. Pastillas.
Patrick's Pasalubong. Look at this.
Ito luto nila.
Yihis. Cassava chips, cheese flavor.
Ube.
Ube bites. And this one is gulaman sugar. This is the gulaman with sugar. Oh wow. Very soft. Melts in your mouth. This one. You have ube with sugar. Ube ball. Taro ball.
Ube ball.
Taro ball. Yeah. The treats here. Pasalubong. Little gifts. Turn ilalaw. What else they got? And then the crabs.
Ay, grabe.
Sabi sa suka, oh.
Paco, suso, talangka, kuho.
Yema.
I'm eating yema bowl or yema square. Yema. It's good?
Yeah.
Penge. Penge. Penge yema. Salamat. Alright, we got yema square. It's kind of like a caramel, I believe. Pretty hard, but milk. I think it's the condensed milk.
Kesong puti kayo dyan, ma'am,
Pretty
sir.
good. This yema square.
Kesong puti.
Pretty good. Hard to chew, but I think it's like pretty good. Maybe like a condensed milk with I don't know, with caramel. It's hard. That's great. Like, we even went through a drive-through street dirty ice cream vendor.
Meron pa ako dito.
Right over there.
Ganito lang po. Ate, na gusto mo ice cream? Kapula, gusto mo siya damakmak?
Man.
Oo nga. Ayun yan. 4 lang doon. 4 dito.
Naging cherry.
Ube bowl on top. What's your own?
Hindi pa, 4 pa lang eh.
Cheese?
Dito kami, 4. Tapos isa pa kati ni 5.
What's your own? Cheese also?
They all mix.
Oh, ayan.
Nagpaparking kanina.
Oh. This taste is real like street food taste. And then there's all these street vendors coming out of nowhere selling it to you.
Kaya.
I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. I'm out.